Kinang ilam ka ACHIK conscious holistically integrated krima. Haka artrik ujili option kilai bani kendo iblat ka Jylla CHBJ Shankar ban Pynsngew halor ka Dawa ban penlong winter capital ya ka Tura nor kiwei pat kimat ki bukongsan na banta ka rilum karo. Hab gran sikilat pasai kubor General Secretary Adam R Sangma luang ba Dawa ban penlong winter capital ya ka nomba Tura kam dai shu tong kamat chung sang balang. Hendrai ka ka mat Dawa chung borok ki pai nong song snong chung ka tai ka thain. Lolo kata long ba kecing dawan penlong ya Tura kum winter capital kadai nama ka cingcingai jungka na ka nong ba Shillong ba kumta kalong ka berengkam ban perolong no ya kan kecing dawa.
Our honorable governor, and we have submitted a memorandum which contains various issues regarding Garo Hills and overall for the state of Meghalaya. So as we met the governor, we have begun our talking and we started talking about winter capital. So winter capital is a very genuine demand, and it has been surfacing, and I should say it is the talk of a town in Tura now. Okay, everyone knows now, everyone is talking about winter capital, but I want to highlight a little bit why we are pressing this winter capital. You see, when Meghalaya statehood was formed in 1972, our forefathers, our pioneers, the founding fathers of Meghalaya, their vision was beyond the statehood. Their vision was not limited to the statehood. Their vision was beyond the statehood, because they also envisionized a future aspiration for the people of Meghalaya, that is for the Khasi, Garo, and Jaintia, to have a way to preserve our culture, to preserve our society, and also to be more established in the society as part of Indian Union. And when we talk about winter capital, we are not talking about mini secretariat and these things. We are talking about for the 6 months we are talking about to have administrative, legislative, and judiciary bench for the whole of 6 months in Tura. So regarding this winter capital, some might have doubt how this has begun and how this is going. But I want to clarify, you see, when we talk winter capital, some people align this with particular group or particular organization. But that is not that is not true. Not true in a sense like, this is the issue of the people. Why I say it is the issue of the people? When we met the people, when we met our, the senior people, when we met our senior politicians, we come to know that this was the aspirations of our forefathers. And so, when we try to reach to the people, when we reach out to people in every part of the nook and corners of Garo Hills, then we came to the conclusion that people have the knowledge. They have the knowledge about this. That the vision was there, that the aspiration was there to have Tura as the winter capital and Shillong to be the summer capital. And by saying that, now when we went and discussed with the people, now the people have understood. Now they are saying that this issue is not the issue of this ACHIK organization. This issue is not the issue of any other organization. But this issue is my issue. Now the people are saying, see, the language is changing now. The people are saying, now this issue is my issue. Now this right is my right. So now when the people have already understood the issue is related to all the people of Garo Hills, especially for the Garos, we have come to the common platform now. And the voice is one, we are speaking in one tone. So we want to fully let the people know that this is a very genuine issue, and we are pressing on this issue. There are a lot of other organizations, other associations, they are also pressing this, but we are also in that same line, in the same run. So by saying that why we need a winter capital in Tura, you see, when we talk about Tura, located in the westernmost part of Meghalaya, and also when we look at the map on the satellite or anywhere, you can see how it is isolated from the rest of the Meghalaya. So there's a lot of problems for the people. In simple terms, there are a lot of problem for the people in terms of connectivity. Yes, we are connected by Meghalaya itself, but it is very far. And Shillong being the headquarter of the state, the capital of the state, often our people finds very difficult to reach here. Say for example, for some official works, we have to reach to Shillong, but the road is very far. It's very far. And see, recently we came to Shillong to submit a memorandum to the governor. We supposed to take Guwahati road because Guwahati road is closest to us. If you come to Nongsteng road, it is very far. I think it's far, or it's more far. I think. So, excuse me. So by saying that, what I want to point is that even when we look at the geographical location, we are very isolated from the headquarters, the administrative capital of the state of Meghalaya. So by making Tura as the winter capital, or second capital, we are bringing the people closer to the governance. We are also decentralizing the governance for the benefit of the people, because every people living in a state having a unique identity must have equal value. No one should feel alienated, no one should feel marginalized. So in order to overcome these issues, we have to consider and we have to take steps for declaring Tura as the winter capital. In saying that also, we should not look at the financial constraint in the short term, but we should try to think beyond that. We should think the future, the progression, the benefit that we will receive as a state, Meghalaya as a state, Meghalaya as a state as a whole.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.